Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix can't take screenshot due to security policy on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you face this error which says can't take screenshot due to security policies on WhatsApp, then what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application, and after opening up your WhatsApp application, now just select a person's profile and then try to take a screenshot of that person's profile. Then you will find this message in the top of your screen which says can't save screenshot. So now what you can do is, so you can't take a screenshot of any profile that you like, but you can take a screenshot by using a trick. So just tap on that profile and you can find a small profile of that person. So now what you can do is just simply take a screenshot of that profile. After taking that screenshot, just tap on that pencil icon and now you can edit that person's profile. So just crop it, and after cropping that person profile you can just tap on save, and after saving that you can see your photo has been successfully saved. So this is a way how you could take a screenshot if you face this kind of error in WhatsApp. So that's it guys, this is how to fix can't take screenshot due to security policies on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.